What do you do, guys? Welcome back to one of the videos. I don't know how you found this video or you clicked on anything, but help others find this video by clicking the link or just sharing it. It only takes like 5 seconds. But today we'll be wrapping this beautiful Type R right here. I forgot to ask what year it was, but dude, this thing's sexy. Look, check it out. Ooh, boy, look at that. Look at the low on it. My boy got carbon. Got carbon down there. Got the APR performance, all carbon. Ooh, this thing's sexy. It's a pretty fun car. I did bring it to the house. I drove it. I like it. I didn't even know these cars came boosted. But we are going to be doing a roof wrap. So this video, if you do have a Type R and you want to wrap the roof, perfect video for yourself. So what he wants to do is this fully black, this black, and keep these pillars right here also black. And let me go ahead and put it inside and teach you how to do it. Let's go. Now that we have it in here, this time I'm gonna take this off. There's 2 screws right under it, and I think it's held by, I don't know if you can kind of see, double-sided tape. So I kind of want to heat it up a little bit and then wiggle it out, see if it works. All right, so what you want to do is take the bolt that's right under and then get one of these, then kind of just push it in. But since I kind of don't have anybody with me right now, I gotta kind of use this once at a time. So let me get it done. All right, once you go ahead and get all this and then get the antenna done, you got to clean that out. You got to clean all this. All that all looks yucky, but you want to see something that's a little bit more crazy outside, bro. It's barely like 6 o'clock and it's like dark as hell. Some bullshit. Someone lied to us. How does it get dark at 6? But then it says it gets dark at 9. That's some bull. That's some bull right there. But go ahead and just clean all this up. Then I'm going to go get my camera. Mount you guys right here. Y'all can see the beautiful view.
Got my eyes low with the sky falls where the rhyme flows. I don't really know just where we might go with the mind scope. So many things I never learned with my eyes closed. Too busy with the schemes on the telling of my dreams. On the rail, bitch, I grind like my life's on the line. Hella wide, so fall through with the light sticks. We open up when the light flicks. On sight, yellow cash rolls, everything around me. Hunting for the bounty. Where that nigga drip on fountain. Grind a tree down by the ounce. Liquor skin brown, zip it down to the earth, spin around. Life is hella short, so make it count. To the label, I need 3, 4, 5. Better count it back out loud. What we getting into for the night? I never hit reply, but it read. I just wanna feel alive. Life is so much more than the bills. I just want a house in the hills. I just wanna look into her eyes while I'm gripping on them thighs, so she knowing that it's real. They don't really want it with the
And just like that, this is completely done. Now I gotta go take it to the owner. I'm gonna go get my car. Junior's gonna drive this to the owner, and hopefully I get some fire shots in a little bit. So yeah, now let's go see his reaction. And also we got the carbon going on. That looks good, man. That looks good. ¿Qué te gustó, güey? Yeah, let's go. All right, my boy.